Today's topic is conic section. In this section, first question is if a not equals to 0 and the line 2bx plus 3cy plus 4d is equal to 0 passes through the point of intersection of the passes through the point of intersection of the parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay. Then that means the line passing through the point of intersection of the parabolas. Point of intersection of parabolas is point of parabolas are 0, 0 and 4a, 4b. If the given line 2bx plus 3cy plus 4d is equal to 0 passes through 0, 0, that implies d is equal to 0. When 2x into 0, 0, 3c into 0, 0, 4d is equal to 0, that means d is equal to 0. And 4a, 4a passes through a point 4a, 4a, that is 2b into 4a plus 3c into 4a plus d is equal to 0. That is, now this is 8ab plus 12ac is equal to 0. Here we take a common is 4a, that is 2b plus 3c is equal to 0. Therefore, we take 2b plus 3c whole square plus b square is equal to 0. That is the required condition. Question number 2. The slope of the line touching both the parabolas y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to minus 32y. Equation of the tangent to the parabola in slope form. Tangent in slope form is y is equal to mx plus c. C means 1 by m, a by m, where a is equal to 1. This is taken as 1. If 1 is tangent to, if 1 is a tangent to x square is equal to minus 32y. Applying the condition, am square is equal to minus am square is equal to c minus c. So that implies a means 4a is equal to minus 8 minus 32, that is 8m square is equal to minus 1 by m. C means 1 by m. Now m cube is equal to 1 by 8. That is equal to m is equal to 1 by 2. That is the slope of the common tangent to the given parabolas. Question number 3. Let O be the vertex and Q be any point on x square is equal to 8y. If the point B divides the line segment OQ in the ratio 1:3, then the locus of P is. So the given parabola is like this. It is the vertex 0, 0 and Q is a point on the parabola where 4a is equal to 8 means a is equal to 2. The point on the parabola is 280, 8t square. Now here it is 40, 2t square. Join OQ and we take a point P, x1, y1 which divides OQ in the ratio 1:3. So now Tx1 y1, x1 y1 is equal to 1 into 4t by 1 plus 3, comma 1 into 2t square by 3 into 0 kanuka 1 plus 3. Now x1 is equal to t and y1 is equal to t square by 2. So 2y1 is equal to x1 square. Locus of x1 y1 is locus of x1 y1 is 2y is equal to x square, which represents a parabola.